Hello everyone, this is Roohi and welcome to Palate. आज की जो मेरी रेसिपी है, it's super delicious and super easy. We are going to make mushroom and cheese sandwich. Let's start. So first we are going to make filling for this sandwich. So for that, in a pan I'll add some butter, which is around a tablespoon or probably more than that, depends on your taste. Now into this I'll add garlic. This is chopped garlic. And remember, we don't have to cook the garlic completely, we just have to cook till its raw smell vanishes away. So it'll take around 2 to 3 minutes. Now once this is done, after 2 to 3 minutes, I'll add into this chopped mushrooms. This is 1 cup of mushroom. Now into this I'll sprinkle a little bit of salt and we'll cook this for around 5 to 6 minutes till this will leave its water and it will become a little tender. Now after 5 minutes, as you can see that mushrooms are almost done. Now into this I have dry coriander here. So you can add dry or fresh coriander. Now into this I'll add thyme because I have. If you don't have thyme, if you have any other dry herb you can add. Now we'll add spices into this. I'll add a little bit of black pepper, red chili powder according to taste, little bit of salt because we have already added earlier. Just give a nice mix. Now I'll switch off the gas and in this hot pan itself only I'll add processed cheese. And mozzarella cheese. So this is half cup of mozzarella cheese and half cup of processed cheese. So if you want to go for more of processed cheese, so you can go for like 1 cup of processed cheese and 2 to 3 tablespoons of mozzarella cheese. You can adjust according to your taste. Now into this I'll add chili flakes and mix it. Now here I have bread. This is tandoori masala bread. You can take any bread of your favorite flavor. Now on this I'll apply some butter. I have iceberg here, so I'm adding this too. If you have iceberg or salad leaf, whatever you have, you can add. I'm adding iceberg. Now I'll add this filling which we made. That's it. Now I'll apply butter on the other slice as well. Put it like this. That's it. So I'll prepare one more. Now I have a grilling pan here, so I'm doing the next process in this pan. If you don't have this kind of pan, you can do this process in a simple pan, or you can do this on an electric griller as well. So whatever you have, so just brush some butter and place your sandwiches in the pan. So we'll cook this for around 2 to 3 minutes and then we'll serve this hot. Now this is done. You make this and do let me know how your sandwiches come out from your pan. I'll see you very soon in the next video. Till then you take care and very goodbye.